There was a time when you were excited, you had goals, you had energy, you believed your future would be better. But somewhere along the way, that fire disappeared. And now, the things that once mattered to you barely feel important at all. If you feel like you've lost your motivation, this video is for you. Because the truth is, you are not lazy and you are not broken. You are likely mentally exhausted, emotionally overwhelmed, and disconnected from the reason you started. Today, we're going to break down 7 reasons why your motivation disappeared and how to rebuild it even if you feel like you don't care anymore. Number 1. Motivation dies when effort feels useless. Nothing kills motivation faster than feeling like your effort does not matter. You work hard, but nothing changes. You try again, still no results. After enough disappointments, your mind begins to ask, what's the point? And when that question becomes stronger than your hope, motivation starts to disappear. Not because you are weak, but because your brain is trying to protect you from your frustration. Number 2, too many failures can make you give up internally. Sometimes, you stop trying before you stop dreaming. You still want success, you still want a better life, but part of you no longer believes it will happen. So you become emotionally detached. You tell yourself you do not care, but deep down, you care a lot. You are simply tired of being disappointed. Number 3, distraction makes everything feel empty. Your mind was designed to pursue meaningful goals, but when your days are filled with endless scrolling, videos, and constant stimulation, your attention becomes scattered. And when your attention is scattered, your purpose becomes blurry. You begin to confuse temporary entertainment with genuine fulfillment, and over time, real goals start to feel less exciting. Number 4, stress uses the energy you need to grow. Motivation requires mental and emotional energy, but when you are carrying financial pressure, uncertainty, self-doubt, and overthinking, your energy is consumed by survival, and survival leaves little room for ambition. Sometimes you are not unmotivated, you are simply overwhelmed. Number 5, you stop trusting yourself. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, and don't. Every time you make a promise to yourself and break it, you weaken self-trust. Eventually, your mind stops taking your intentions seriously, and without self-trust, motivation fades because it is difficult to feel excited about goals you no longer believe you will pursue. Number 6, motivation is created by action. Most people think they need motivation before they begin, but motivation often appears after you start. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates progress. Progress creates belief, and belief creates motivation. You do not need to feel inspired. You only need to take one small step, one page, one workout, one task, one decision. Number 7, your fire is not gone. It is buried. The part of you that once felt ambitious still exists. It may be hidden beneath stress, disappointment, distraction, and fear, but it is still there, waiting. And each small promise you keep to yourself removes another layer until the person you thought you lost begins to return. If you no longer feel motivated, do not assume you have failed. Sometimes motivation disappears because life has been heavy, because you have been hurt, because you have been carrying too much for too long. But your story is not over. Your ambition is not dead, and your future is still being shaped by the choices you make today. You do not need to get everything back at once. You only need to begin again, and that single step may be the moment your fire starts to return.